Tesla's new software update to bring many interface-oriented improvements and more. Tesla has begun rolling out the new update, but so far only to employees. It will bring many interface-oriented improvements and enhancements to some existing features. A new unreleased Tesla software update, 2023.12, is now rolling out, Teslascope reported. The platform that monitors Tesla updates said that at the moment, it is only distributed to employees of the company. Most of the changes are related to interface-oriented improvements. In addition, there are some bug fixes and a general expansion of functionality. Exclusive. A new unreleased Tesla software update, 2023.12, is now going out to employee vehicles, including a trove of interface-oriented improvements. Text size adjustments, controls, search, points of interest, phone call controls, and more included in the next tweets. Teslascope, April 10, 2023. Teslascope provided a list of enhancements that were provided with the software update 2023.12. Text size adjustments. Controls, search. Points of interest. Phone call controls. Scroll wheel customization. Gear chimes. Passenger seat controls. Get to know your Tesla, seen in a few recent builds, but soft launched. Zoom meetings now available in additional regions, and minor improvements, performance changes have been applied in the background. Speech recognition language British English is now available as a voice recognition language. Also, citing information from a European source, although no specific country is listed, the new update also includes additional fixes to the recently infamous factory reset bug. Some Tesla car owners reported that after they rebooted their cars, they then started up in factory default settings. Therefore, this fix is great news for owners. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tesmanian.